Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete AOL mail in bulk. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any browser and go to AOL mail. Now go to Inbox. After you go to Inbox, you can see this option over here. If you click it, you can see all of the mails will be selected. Now if you want to delete all of it, just go ahead and click delete, which is over here. And there you go. You can now see that all of the mail has been deleted. If you want to undo it, just go ahead and click undo. And you can see that all of it will come back. Let me show it to you once again. The first step is to open any browser on your PC and go to AOL.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now what you need to do is click on Inbox or Drafts. So if you want to delete all of your drafts, just go ahead and click on this tick box over here and click delete. Click OK and wait for a while, and you can see that this draft has been deleted and all of the mail will now go to trash. If you want to empty the trash, you can just go ahead and click empty trash folder, which is over here, and the trash folder will be deleted. So it's quite simple. You must go to your selective folder over here, select this tick box over here on the top left hand corner and click delete. After you do so, all of your messages will be deleted in bulk. You can undo it anytime by clicking undo, or you can go to trash and restore it. I hope this video about how you can delete AOL mail in bulk was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.